Hey guys, it's JM007 here, showing you my new AK47 Krinkov full metal body off of AirSoft Megastore. I'm not getting sponsored for this, but I just bought it, and these are 0.2 gram seamless BBs. So this is basically I'm going to be shooting today. There's already some in here, so let's load it up. Pretty cool to load up, like any AK really. So you turn that gear to hit the bullets, then you slide it in here. Oh, weird camera angle. Yeah, and it clicks. And let's fire it. Please. Okay. Sick! Hey guys, this has been another video from JM007B7 here, and please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And there will be links in the description below for where I got the guns and the ammunition. And see you guys later. Bye!